Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the glowing text effect in CapCut using. So there are two options. For first option, for example, just going to add text screen. Select text, select default text, and can just for the duration the sunlight, change for the text, change for the font style and font color. So scroll down, you can find the glow option. Just turn on it, and let's for the color, and change for intensity and range. So this first option. For the second option, you can turn up the glow and select the clips. Right click, create component clip, and go to effect. Select um you can select the light effect and just scroll down, and you can find the angel ears. Just download it and add to the track. As for the strings right here. So that's how you can create the glowing text effect in CapCut D. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.